7:37 +2 at the airport. Time to focus on business. Our business editor Mike Eppel joining us now. Mike, Future Shop is closing its doors in Canada.
Yeah, it was an abrupt announcement on Saturday morning, Ted, for the 1,500 or so Future Shop employees who are going to lose their jobs as the parent company Best Buy announced that it was going to close permanently 66 Future Shops across the country and convert another 60 to Best Buy brands. Analysts are saying, you know, it's not a huge surprise they're doing this, considering in many locations you had a Best Buy store, you know, a few doors down or across the street from a Future Shop. This all follows the buyout of Future Shop back in 2001 by the U.S. electronics chain, and the retail landscape has changed dramatically. People can buy big TVs, for goodness sakes, online now from Amazon.com or Costco or what have you, or through Best Buy or Future Shop for that matter. So you had a duplication of services. The somewhat surprise is the fact that they did it as abruptly as they did. You know, out of the blue sort of on Saturday morning, as opposed to giving a little bit of warning to those employees to be prepared for a transition. May have short-term implications as well, because for the owners of those plazas that own the locations where Future Shop is located, RioCan or Callaway Investment REITs, we're going to have to see the trickle-down effect of this. And, of course, the ongoing downturn pullback for the retail sector, what with Target, Mex stores, Bombay company, a lot of closures in retail so far this year. Some candid comments over the weekend from central bankers. Our Bank of Canada Governor Stephen Poloz in an interview with the Financial Times in the UK saying the first quarter of this year probably going to be very weak because of the falling price for oil. Shouldn't really come as a big surprise, but central bankers don't typically offer specifics about economic forecasts. In this case, he did. And, of course, the Bank of Canada cut interest rates earlier this year. And then China's central banker over the weekend saying, yeah, we're going to cut interest rates or buy some bonds or economic stimulus measures. And, again, telegraphing that China wants to see a 7% growth rate. Markets off to a good start to the week on that. The price for oil, though, is down again because that U.S. dollar remains stubbornly strong. So oil's at just north of $48 a barrel. So holiday shortened work week too, Ted, coming up. Holiday on Friday.
Speaking of holidays, I know what you were doing over the weekend. That's a good paint job over your shoulder, Mike.
Thank you very much. I work on my stencils exclusively. Yes, the new logo for 680. 680 here in Toronto and News. It's the station call signal and news. It is what we do.
All right,
business
good
at
stuff.
26 and 56 on 660 in Calgary, too.
Yeah, exactly. Good stuff. That's our business editor, Mike Eppel, reporting at 680 News in Toronto, by the way, is the sister radio station to 660 News here in Calgary. And as Mike said, you can hear business at 26 and 56 after the hour on 660 News.